until 7:30 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Shanahan, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Joliet, Cicero, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Calumet City, Woodridge, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, and South Shore. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 249 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 343 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 124 and 155. Interstate 90 between mile markers 101 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 43 and 70. Interstate 290 between mile markers 18 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 43 and 70. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 15. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, SeatGeek Stadium, University of Chicago, University of St. Francis, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Hawthorne Park, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Louis...
And they cut it off again.